This is a breaking news alert from Hollywood. Legendary actress Diane Keaton has died at the age of 79. Her death was first reported by People magazine. According to officials, Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded to an emergency call early Saturday morning at her home. Keaton was transported to a hospital where she was later confirmed dead. The cause of death has not yet been released. Diane Keaton was a defining face of American cinema. She won the Academy Award for Best Actress in 1977 for her unforgettable role in Annie Hall, a performance that made her a household name around the world. Beyond acting, Keaton was a true original. Her iconic menswear-inspired style, hats, vests, and slacks, challenged Hollywood norms and became her signature look. She remained a trendsetter throughout her decades-long career. Tributes have already begun pouring in from celebrities and fans alike. Jane Fonda said, quote, "It's hard to believe." Goldie Hawn, Bette Midler, and Steve Martin also shared heartfelt messages honoring her life and legacy. Law enforcement sources tell CNN that if the cause of death is determined to be natural, like the medical examiner may not investigate further. For now, the world is mourning the loss of a beloved Hollywood legend. Diane Keaton, an actress, a fashion icon, and a trailblazer, gone at 79, but her legacy will shine forever. For continuous coverage and live updates, stay tuned. This is a developing story.